Okay, here's Andy. Here's Andy and his rifle.
Hey, coming at you, you'll probably get it. There.
I don't think that was even full throttle.
Now he might. Now it's coming towards you. You'll probably get a good shot. But he's so small. He's so small, you won't be able to.
Okay, he's gonna try a landing.
Is he?
Probably lands at 100.
Yeah.
Okay, heads up. Awesome.
You get one of those straps on the bottom.
I think you broke a prop.
Oh, you're right. This thing goes through props, I tell you what.
You need a folding prop.
You know, there's got to be a way.
Yep. Cool. Look at this little guy. I mean, that thing is small.
And oh, my tail fin sheared off.
Uh-oh.
Oh, well.